quietly or comfortably sitting back and staying in defiance of the Constitution? And what risk does that portend as you make your final comments? We only have like a minute each.
In my view, the Attorney General has got the unique responsibility as the advisor of the government. I may not be a lawyer, but I think she's got capacity as the Attorney General to move the Chief Justice and using whatever provisions that are available and indicate that this is an urgent matter and have some of these cases maybe consolidated or fast-tracked because of national interest, because of national security. Because if we don't do that, then there's a risk. We'll not have these commissioners selected in the right time. There's a risk that people may not be registered to vote in a good time. There's a risk, therefore, that people will be disenfranchised. And a politician would say that this is my cause supporters. They've got IDs, but they've not been registered as voters. So that is something that we must address as a matter of urgency. And lawyers can go to the Kenyan Constitution, can go to the various provisions and find a route where they can move the Chief Justice to do that. You know, that is within the domain, and in fact, that is why she's the government's legal advisor. And then on this other matter, you're talking about Raila Odinga, that I mean, one of the panelists has said that he may not be competent to lead Africa Union, that he may not have capacity, that that's not what we need. Mm-hmm. In fact, African Union decisions are made by heads of states and governments in Africa. So the only thing Mr. Raila Odinga would be doing is convening them and setting the agenda. President Museveni indicated when he was in Kenya a few days ago that where Raila Odinga is qualified for this role, the buck stops with African presidents. So if you are complaining about African Union incapacity to respond maybe to the demographic challenges, it's not about the leadership at the African Union. It's about the African heads of states and government, because they're the people of the arm and the knife.
Okay. Jerry?